Few days ago, I asked this particular question that says, how will you handle a purchase flow that generates a purchase order serially, e.g., PO0001 and PO002, without assigning the same order number to multiple orders. And I want to thank everyone that engaged this post, everyone that commented on this post. Some person says they will select the max number and then increase it by one. And some other person says they will create a lock. And some other say they will implement a message queue, right? All of them are solutions. However, most of them are problematic. For example, the one that says the locking. The locking, I've tried it in the past and it eventually creates a deadlock in the database, which means it's problematic. This is how I was able to solve the problem, right? I have a sequence number. I created a sequence called order number sequence, right? Let's quickly create it, right? So having done that, I have another step procedure called generate and assign order number, right? And I have a variable called order reference ID and another one previous because based on the example that I gave, it has a previous of view, right? So and then I move on to declare another variable next value, right, which is an integer, and then another variable new order, which is a string, right? And then I select the max number, that's the next number from my order number sequence and assign it to next value. So I move on to create to check if the max number, I mean the next file number, right, is less than 8, then append 0002 to it. Else, go and generate the number and then append the previous to it, right, which makes it the new number, right? Having done that, and then I update the database. I update the table rather, right? Update orders table. Set order number equals to new order number. That's the new generated order number. Where ID equals to order reference ID, which is coming from this variable declared A, right? So let's see what we currently have in orders number table. So in order number table, this is what we currently have, meaning that the order have been created, but its order number is yet to be assigned, right? Let's quickly assign it and see how it works, right? So I'll copy this number, this ID, then. So don't forget that to execute our stock procedure, we need to pass two variables, which are order reference ID and previous. And this is the same thing I'm doing right here. Then select this and then run the query. This says that generate an assigned number is not yet created. Let's run this script to create the stop procedure. So having done that, let's go back to execute the stop procedure. Right. Don't forget that at the end of this, and then I'm also selecting the new order number and return it. From this place, select new order number as order number, which is why we have this as order number. So let's select order numbers table. I mean, beg your pardon. Let's select orders table, right? This is what we have inside the table. Now, let's assign the second number to the second ID. Let's see what will be the outcome of it. Execute the stop procedure. So the next serial number now is 2, coming from the sequence. Let's check what we currently have in the table, right? So this is how I was able to overcome this problem because at every point, all the transaction must go to the database, and the moment they hit the database, it will call the next serial number. No matter what, the same serial number will never be assigned to multiple orders. Thank you, guys. Please comment and share, or come up if you have a better solution. Please drop it in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.